Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we're checking testosterone prices in this video. Now what I've done is I've been today to most of the clinics which do testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, and I've checked the prices. Now virtually all the clinics have very similar prices, and the first thing that they do when you go in and you say you want to go ahead with it is they want to do a full blood test, which is just about everything you could possibly check on a blood test, and they charge around 8,000 baht for that. Now, if you decide to go ahead with the treatment, you'll find with most of the clinics, the treatment will cost you around about 10 to 14,000 baht a month. So in the very first month, you're going to pay 8,000 baht for your blood test, and then around, say, 12,000 baht for a month's treatment. That's 20,000 baht for the first month. And consecutive months after that will drop down to 12 to 15,000 baht a month. This is for the clinic. And now, if you think that's excessive, there's another way, okay? You just have the blood test done to check your testosterone level by a doctor. A normal doctor, many doctors will do it, and clinics as well, and that will cost you about 1,000 baht only. And you have your testosterone level. Now, if you decide you want to go ahead with that, for example, a young man, the level would be 1,000. But when you get into your 50s, it drops down to, say, 600, something like that. Well, you can bring that back up again with testosterone injections. Now, if you decide you want to go ahead, you can have the testosterone done, the proper Bayer product, the real thing. And many clinics will do the injections for you for around 1,000 baht. And in fact, doctors will do it for 500 baht. But it is also for sale at pharmacies. And I'll show you in a minute where to buy it. The purpose of this video is to give you the cheapest possible price. You can buy testosterone and do the injections yourself. You buy the needles and the syringe and do it yourself. And just about every pharmacy in Pattaya sells it. So instead of 20,000 baht for your first month, you'll pay something like 900 baht. Let me show you how easy it is to find this stuff. But first, let me show you what it is we're talking about. This, I'm going to show you now, is the actual product, and this is how you open it, and this is what it looks like. This is the real thing. You just get the syringes. The pink needle is for drawing the product out, and the blue one is for putting it in. Okay, I'll just open it. It's a glass vial. You hold it in some tissues and you snap the top. You'll see when I open it. There's a line, a ring, and you just snap that off, and then put. If you can't use it, use pliers, which is what I do. But just put the pink needle on the syringe, put it in and draw it out, and then you can do the injection. And that's how easy it is. Okay, now let me show you where you can buy it and what prices we can get it down to. It starts off higher and we'll get it down to some lower prices. Okay, you'll see, just watch. Hi. Do you sell testosterone?
Yeah, that's one 370 baht.
This one?
Yeah.
How much? 300?
370.
370 for one.
For one.
Right. Okay. They have the same one, the Bayer one. Okay. Thank you for your help. So that's the first one. Let's see what we can get it down to. We'll go to the next pharmacy.
Hello.
Hi. Do you sell this sort of thing? Oh, you do?
300 baht for one box.
300 for one box, so you sell those. And you sell also the needles, the syringe and the
Yes,
needles.
sir. If you buy many, you can do about 200 baht.
You can do it for 200 baht. If you buy how many? 10 boxes? How many you want?
Yeah,
So, about 10 boxes you have a discount. Okay, thank you for your help. So the price is coming down. Let's see what we can go to. Hi. Do you sell these testosterone
Yeah,
injections?
300 baht.
300
Yeah.
for one, yeah? And what if you buy 10?
10 is 280 baht each.
About 280. That's what it works out at, is it? Yeah? 10. Okay. I'll come back. Thank you for your help. Okay.
How much you buy? It,
250. I'll buy 250.
okay, 250.
I will do it.
Okay, 250.
It's okay. I'm not buying today, but okay. So I know you do 250. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you for
250 right now.
it. No, I'm not
Okay.
doing it now. Thank you very much. You've got to laugh, haven't you? The way you dropped that price so fast. Hi. Do you sell testosterone?
Yeah,
You do. Same as this or a different brand or?
same brand.
Oh, and how much is that?
295 baht.
295 for one.
Yeah.
Okay. If you buy 10, do you do discount?
290.
290. Okay, thank you for your help. Still got a little way to go yet, haven't we? But we'll make it. We'll make it, you see. Hi, do you sell these?
Yes.
You do? Okay.
How many do you want?
Well, I just wonder how much they are.
290 baht.
290 for the same sort of thing. Is that the only brand you do? Okay. I'm just checking the price, that's all. I'll come back. But if you buy more, if you buy like 10, do you discount?
Yes.
How much would you discount to? Have you bought 10 boxes? 280.
280.
Okay. All right. Thank you for your help. We're getting there slowly. If you buy 10 packets, they drop the price. Hi, I wanted to know if you sold these, you know, testosterone injections?
Yes, I have.
You have them. And how much are they?
เบสเทสโทสเตอโรนเท่าไหร่อ่ะ
285 baht.
285 baht per
285.
piece next term.
285 for one. What if you buy 10?
How many you want?
10.
10.
I only asked the price, that's all. How much discount you give for 10?
I have only 4
Oh, okay,
piece.
okay. Okay, no problem.
1,140 baht.
For 4.
Huh?
For how many? For 4?
True?
4. Okay, fine. I'll come back to you. Thank you for your help. Okay?
You come back now.
Yeah, yeah. We'll see what we can do deal-wise, eh? Do you sell this? You sell testosterone? You do?
250
250. Okay, fine. And if you buy 10?
Still same price ค่ะ
Still the same price. Alright. Fine, okay, thank you very much.
ค่ะ
Thank you. So we're down to 250 baht each now. But we can do better. Hi. Do you sell testosterone?
yes
You do? And how much is it?
250 baht per one box
250 for a box.
Yeah.
And this make? Do you sell any other make or only that one?
only this
Okay. So it's 250 for a box. Do you do discount if you buy 10 boxes?
yes
How much?
to discount because this one is expensive 2,300
2,000.
yeah
Okay. Okay. Fine. Thank you for your help. So 250 baht. If you buy 10, 230 baht. Okay. Get in there. Hi. Do you sell testosterone in
Yes.
Dutch? Oh, you do?
one box
Yeah, how-
250
how much?
baht
250.
yeah if
For-
you buy 10
Yeah.
2,300 baht
2,300 if you buy 10. Okay, fine. Thank you for your help.
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. You sell the needles and the
Yeah.
syringe, everything. Okay, thank you. So that's the lowest price we've got in the city centre, but I did go outside the city a little bit, up toward Prasanak, Jomtien area, and there it was cheaper still, down to 200 baht. Okay, so you can get for 200 baht. Now we just work it out, and well, let's do a comparison. I'll just put some figures up now. Now you do understand that this is exactly the same product, but made by Bayer, the proper company, that you get from the clinics. There's no difference in what you're injecting. They inject it for that price, you inject it for that price. It's a huge difference. I mean, I know some people will say, oh, can't do it myself, and oh, it's crazy, you have to go to a doctor. Yes, you do go to a doctor. When you first do it, you go to a doctor and you have a blood test, and then some doctors will do the injection, but they won't do it with your product that you bought from the pharmacy. They do it with their own, which is only a slightly bit more. Maybe instead of 230, you pay 500 baht. You know, it's not so bad. But the price difference is just astronomical between the clinic and self-injection, and you're getting exactly the same product. Except it's 52 times cheaper. Not half the price, 52 times cheaper. Crazy, eh? Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learnt something. I certainly did over the last few weeks when I've been researching this. And please don't forget to check Patreon and Instagram. Look at the links below. Really, really good fun they are. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.